Okay, sensational. It's sensational. It looks just like natural 4C hair or any natural textured hair. So let's get into the hair, y'all. This is from Sensational. It is their Boss Lady, okay? Jersey accent coming out, Boss Lady. And this is in the color 1B. It's their Curls to Kinks collection. Okay, so let's see what it's like. Let's pop this baby open. Oh, she was ready to come out. They clipped it in here. Okay. Okay, so we got her out. So it has a clip at the top, one long clip, and then another one at the bottom, as you can see. It also has these bands right here. It doesn't slide up and down. What I'm going to do to make it a little tighter, I'm going to just connect the two like that. And it makes it a little more snug. Hey, so let's get into the prep work. This is freshly washed hair. I just sectioned a part in the front for my leave out. So I'm just going to put it away, do flat twist really quick. Then I just did 2 big old chunky French braids down the back. They don't have to be perfect or neat or anything like that. Got my secret oil blend. Don't worry, I'll share. Okay, so now that I am done with those struggle braids, simple struggle braids, just going back. They'll be under the wig. No one will know. It doesn't need to be a flat braid back. Okay, so I am going to curl my hair. Prior to this, I blow dried my hair on low. Now I'm going through with my Babyliss flat iron just to make sure that my leave out matches the wig. And it was a really simple, easy process. You don't want it super straight. You still want it to have some type of texture, which is great because you don't want to put a lot of heat on your hair. Okay, so we're just going to rake the hair through. Be very gentle. You just want the volume up near the roots, okay? Just make sure you cover up the separation between your hair and the wig. So just give a little volume. I personally like the middle part, but if you wanted, you could bring everything to the side. Have a deeper part going to the side like that. That's a look too. But we're going to go for the middle. We're going to go for the 70s Va Va Voom, honey. Yes, the Diane Carroll, darling. It looks just like natural 4C hair or any natural textured hair that either has been blown out or lightly pressed. It blends in so well. I'm really feeling their textured units. Make sure that you like and make sure that you subscribe. We're friends now. You're here. We're friends. Welcome. Let me know what you all think.